Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a Google Chrome extension which allows you to directly copy the Google autocomplete suggestions that come directly once you go to google.com and search for a keyword. This actually will save you a lot of time. Simply type Google Instant Keywords Extractor, the very first extension which comes right here. It extracts and download all the suggestions that come once you visit google.com. It's got almost 6,000 installs. I've already installed it. So now the icon will appear something like this. Let me just activate this. Once you install this, so now the icon will appear something like this. Now you go to the search engine and simply type for a keyword. As soon as I type this, you will see that now on the right hand side corner of the screen, you see this copy to clipboard button. We also have select field as well. You can select multiple keywords right here, or you can copy this keyword to clipboard. So your keywords have been successfully copied. And if I want to paste these keywords in a CSV file, I can directly paste it. So you simply select all these keywords by selecting, and then basically you simply copy selected. Simply click that, and all the keywords that I copied are successfully copied. And now in the CSV file, I can simply paste it. So you can simply download all these keywords as a CSV file. This is a really good Google Chrome extension which will save you a lot of time. So as soon as you type this base keyword, if I say Python script to download, these are all keywords which have high search volume. So this will help you in actually making blog posts, videos. So this is really good research, guys, which is coming directly from Google. Google is suggesting all these searches which are done by people. So again, you copy this. So without this extension, it's become very much difficult to copy these keywords, which actually come in the suggestions. Again, copy to clipboard, just paste these keywords. So it will be easy for you to now come to the CSV file and individually check each keyword, analyze it. And if you use any kind of href tool or SEMrush, you can directly paste this list in the CSV. So again, you refresh it. Again, let me say Python script to get. Again, new keywords come as soon as you write this Python script to get data from website, to get YouTube transcript, to get file names from folder. So again, you can copy this. So copy to clipboard. So you can select which keywords you want and simply say copy selected and simply paste it in the CSV file. So I basically love this extension, guys. It actually saved me a lot of time because of these copy to clipboard in the right hand corner of the screen, and also these buttons as well. So this makes it very much easy to get the keywords that I am looking forward to. So as soon as you type or different keywords come, so basically you select which keywords you want and again come to the file and simply paste it. So this is the way by which you can use this extension, guys. The name is very simple: keywords, Google Instant Keywords Extractor. So definitely check this out. It will add this copy to clipboard buttons and all these buttons.